Well, welcome back to the Steve Rob Show. Do you guys have an older truck like I have? I have a 2002 Chevy Silverado. And guys, the truck is really not worth that much money. And I had a problem about 3 years ago where the roof, the paint was bubbling up. So I really didn't want to spend a lot of money on it. I mean, this truck is pretty bulletproof. I've never had no mechanical problems really, on the truck, just regular maintenance. And I didn't feel like spending $500 or more to paint the roof. I've been doing this kind of stuff for a long time. I'll show you what I'm doing. And same as my cap. My truck cap was originally painted green to match the truck. And over time, well, it just deteriorated. The clear coat started peeling off it. And guys, I'll show you the product that I use. Now, I don't think you're going to get this in too many places in the world. But it's just Stone Shield, rocker guard, that kind of stuff. I've been using this for years. Of course, I do all my rockers, even on my Ford. I got a 2010 F-150. The first week I bought that truck, I did the rockers down below with the stone guard or rocker guard, and covered it up. And that makes a big difference on making the truck last longer and not all get pitted from the stones. I'm constantly on gravel roads and they just beat up the rockers on the truck. So I'll take you out in the driveway and I'll show you what I do. I've done the whole cap and I've done the roof. Now the cap was just done a couple of days ago, but the whole roof was done roughly 3 years or more. And that's how long this has lasted me. And I mean, sure, it starts to fade over time, but if you want, you can just get a rattle can and just paint it over top because the rocker guard is paintable. But I just like it the way it is. It's functional, and for me, guys, I'm not into having it look so pretty and that kind of stuff. I like stuff more functional than looking pretty. So let's go out in the driveway and I'll show you an example of what I do and how I use rocker guard. Well, let's start off right here on the side of the cap. Now, I've done the whole cap all the way along, and I think it looks all right. I mean, I did the whole cap like this. 2 cans of rocker guard. Now let's go to the roof and let's take a look at that. Well, there you go there. And that's been 3.5 years on there. It hasn't bubbled, it hasn't chipped, it hasn't done nothing. I'll just give you a better shot here of the roof. You could see it's all shading there from the sun. I'm trying to do this in the morning, before the sun all comes out. But, guys, it wasn't even quite a can. For 10 bucks I did this whole roof. Because it was all blistering and peeling up, and all I did was just sand it down and put a little bit of primer on it and then give it 2 coats of rocker guard. Well, I hope you like that. Might be a little bit redneck for you guys, I'm not too sure, but guys, it was $30. I did the whole cap, I did the top of the roof, and for me, it made sense for me in my particular situation. I'd be curious to hear if any of you guys do this kind of stuff. Like I said before, I've been doing this kind of stuff for years and years and years. So thanks for dropping in, everybody. And for those who've never seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again, guys. Let's have some more fun. Bye now.